Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. So glad you're here. I have just a really quick unboxing for you. I went on the hunt for another Slouchy bag. If you're unfamiliar with the Slouchy bag, I was also unfamiliar with them for quite some time. And then I decided I'm just gonna give it a shot. I was able to get this beautiful Slouchy bag in the color golden. Let's do some color comparisons for the golden right now before we go any further. Because golden is a tricky color to get. I don't know that it's ever been available on the website. I think it has come in sea sales mainly, but it has some very close cousins if you like this color. For instance, here is my medium Aspen, and this is in the color Sienna. And you can see these guys have some commonality with their color. The Sienna is famous for its underside of the leather. You see how the edging is kind of mustard yellow? The whole inside of the bag is also that beautiful bright mustard yellow. I happen to love that about Sienna. It's one of my favorite neutrals. Sienna and golden are kind of close. Here is golden next to honey. Now that is really close in color. This is my large Eclipse purse and I love it. This is a retired style, unfortunately, although when I was at the outlet the other day, they had one in red and it was beautiful. And I was like, wow, somebody's gonna get a winner when they grab that off the shelf. So there's honey with golden. Here's my nutmeg medium metro. You can see that nutmeg has a lot more of a reddish tone than golden. I was able to get this golden Slouchy in a trade with a purse pal. I love the Slouchy now. It is such a generous size. This is the large. On my shoulder, this is just what she looks like. She's kind of one of those comforting purses. Like she feels almost like a pillow up against you. I just love her, and she just slouches and she's imperfect and gorgeous. Once I had a Slouchy in golden, are you guys like this where you get one bag in a style and then you realize how much you love it and suddenly you just want to go hunting for it in other colors as well? I was able to hop onto Treat, that's Portland Leather resale website, and I found another large Slouchy in a different color, and I'm very excited to share it with you today. This Slouchy here comes from Sarah R on Treat. I don't know if Sarah's watching or not, but if you are, Sarah, thank you very much. I'm very excited to open this. And this is a large Slouchy in the color Balar. Look how fancy this is. She shipped this bag in a beautiful, beautiful dust cover. Look at that. It's all shiny and shimmery. So let's get to the big reveal. Here she is, the large Slouchy in Balar. Let me stuff her so that you can get a real idea of what she looks like. There we go, that's better. So the Slouchy design is really interesting because it's actually a trapezoid, like an upside down trapezoid. So it is narrower here at the bottom, it is wider at the top, and that is what creates this amazing slouch. Isn't she fun? Look at her. Oh, I love her. Oh my goodness. As you might have heard, I am a Portland Leather affiliate now, which means I get to give you 30% off premium items on their website every day of the year. You just use the link in the description box below, and when you shop, you automatically get 30% off. They've made it super slick for you. And it's good news for me too. I do receive a small commission and it helps support the channel, helps me continue to create content. It's just a super fun thing. It's like a win-win situation for the both of us. No snooze on the Slouchy. You can get it 30% off a premium Slouchy. This is so gorgeous. Balar is such a pretty color. It just really is. When I describe Balar to people, I just describe it as Crayola crayon green. You remember when you were in grade school and you'd get out the Crayola crayons? To me, this is like a true Crayola crayon green. So here it is compared to my Lola in pine. Oh my goodness, I love greens. Oh, it's so exciting. I'm such a silly person. Isn't that beautiful though? Wow. And pine just came out several months ago in the Moonshot, which I've heard is now being retired. So if you're interested in the Moonshot, you should snatch it up. So there's the comparison again. And another one of my favorite greens is Eucalyptus. It's so pretty. It's almost a creamier green compared to Bacalar, but so pretty. Bacalar is definitely a pebbled finish, and eucalyptus is sort of like slightly textured, but I would still consider it fairly smooth. And finally, here is Bacalar with my beautiful forest green large Olivia. So they're kind of also related, although I would say forest green leans a little bluer in the green family than the Bacalar. I am just so happy to add this beautiful Slouchy to my collection. What about you? How do you feel about greens? Are you into greens, or do you kind of step back from the greens? Green is actually my favorite color just all around, like in general. And so, of course, I love a green bag. You can fit so much in this. I'm still on the hunt for maybe one more Slouchy in a different color, like pebbled black or cold brew, something darker. Or I would love to have it in Empire. Wouldn't that be amazing? There are a few Empire bags up for resale, large Slouchies, but they're a little out of my budget, a little out of my price range at this point. I'm thrilled with this. This is so beautiful. Thank you, Sarah, very much. Thank you for being willing to part with her. Let's see. She's already adjusted to where I like her. She has an adjustable strap here. And actually, this doesn't usually look like this. So usually the strap is threaded through both loops like this and not like this. But this is actually an interesting idea because you could hang flare off of the bottom loop. All right, there we go. She's all buckled properly now. It's kind of fun. It's like a little, it reminds me of like a belt buckle, like the way that the leather strap weaves through there. And you could still add flare to this super easily, which is awesome and fun. This is one of the bags from Portland Leather that does have the 3 cute trees here, which is fun. I like that their bags come with different styles of their logo. Some have brass colored trees, some have embossed trees. Other bags say Portland Leather somewhere on them. I think it's just kind of fun. Here she is in Bacalar. Oh, I love it. I actually really like it with the outfit I'm wearing today, which is kind of neutral. Just a pop of green. I think this looks great for like a winter outfit right now since it's chilly outside and I've got a beanie on. But also, can't you just imagine this in the summer or the spring? This is so gorgeous. You guys, don't snooze on the Slouchy. Like I said, I have her set on the longest setting. Oftentimes with these short shoulder straps, that's just what I prefer because it's easy to get on and off. And I live in a climate where it rains a lot, and so often I'll have a hoodie or a jacket on and I just want to put my Slouchy on or my shoulder bag, whatever bag I'm using. I just want to get it on easy. But if you are in a warmer climate or a smaller person than myself, you can adjust this strap. It's got a couple more holes there to shorten it up. I tried on a small Slouchy at the Woodburn outlet the other day and it was very cute and I was very tempted, but I held off because I'm holding out for one more in large, I think. I just love this size because you never have to worry about not being able to fit your stuff in it. Do you guys have a Slouchy? Am I late to the game? I feel like it was not the first style that I gravitated toward, but oftentimes those ones end up being really good when I do try them. So lesson learned. Thanks so much for watching this fun little video about my new Slouchy. I hope you have a wonderful day and we'll see you next time. Bye.